This is my 2004 ML270. It's a 2.7 litre diesel. I bought it as a source of spares, and the reason I bought this is because I bought it for this one, my 2002 ML320, which is a petrol, but shouldn't make a difference for some of the spares. However, when I brought it home, it was actually a lot better than I thought it would be. It rode better. There's no nasty knocks and bangs. It felt tight. It's not rot. Well, other than the surface rust, it doesn't seem particularly rotten. But so my intention is to put it through its MOT and see if it is, or at least put it for pre-MOT and see if it's worth doing or not. So, why follow my channel? Well, two reasons. One, you don't see many of these, especially being driven off-road. And the second reason, well, follow me along the way and the scenery will be pretty spectacular.